Hey everybody, Colin Reed here with MarineMax in Charleston, South Carolina. Today I'd like to show you a brand new inventory piece of ours. Not only is it new to us, it is new to the Scout lineup. It is the 220 XSF. Also have it in the brand new Alpine Gray hull color. We do have that in the full hull color. Paired beautifully with this white rub rail with a stainless steel insert. We do have our hardtop here on the 220 XSF, similar to our 215, but we are going to have some of our JL audio speakers in the hardtop. We do have this powered by our Mercury 200 as well. Let's hop up inside and check out some more features. So now that we're on board the brand new Scout 220 XSF, would like to point out a few more key features. We do have swim platforms on either side, both covered with SeaDek, as well as our entrance into the transom here will be covered with some non-skid SeaDek. Rod holders here at the transom, as well as 2 cup holders. We also have freshwater and raw water connects as well. As we move in, would like to point out nice spacious area here with a very nice fold out lounger. We do have the brand new Sunbrella upholstery as our standard upholstery for this 220 XSF here. Beautiful design, as well as very durable in the conditions. We do have a very nice portside live well here as well with a raw water connect. As we move up into the boat, we'll have padded bolsters throughout both sides of the gunnels, so if you were to have to fight a fish, you would be able to do so in comfort. As we move up to the helm, we have flip up bolsters here on either side, as well as some storage up top here. I want to point out our JL audio speakers in the hardtop. That is a new addition to a boat of this size with Scout. Great feature, very nice to be able to be out on the water with. We do have rocket launchers on the hardtop as well. Here we do have our 9-inch Garmin display, Fusion head stereo system to go with those JL audio speakers. Switching here for our live wells, nav lights, bilge pumps, other things of that nature. We do have a Mercury vessel view screen to display all of our engine data for that Mercury 200. Also have Seastar Dometic trim tabs and our Mercury binnacle. Also have our standard Scout steering wheel on a tilt base, cup holders, along with a wireless phone charger. As we move up, we do have nice storage area down below where all of our switching battery switches will be located, as well as an area to put a porta potty if you would like to as well. Here in the bow, nice comfortable area to be able to enjoy the water. Very comfortable large lounger here. I'm 6'4" for reference, so plenty of room to be able to spread out on this nice comfortable lounger, you and one other adult or a small child. And underneath we do have very large deep drain storage. Could be used as a fish box or a cooler storage, as well as just storage. Underneath we have some storage on both port and starboard side on the 220 XSF that is also drained. And as you can see, all of these cushions along with the headrest will remove if you would like to use the area to fish. Up here we have an anchor locker. Nice space to be able to put our anchor away, up and out of the way. No storage needed to take control of that. We also have this set up with our bow and rod and cup holders, so it has the ability to have a bow shade in place. If you'd like to learn more about this brand new model from Scout Boats, along with anything else we carry here at MarineMax, please feel free to check us out on MarineMax.com, and as always, give us a call at 843-747-1889. Once again, I'm Colin Reed. Thanks for watching.